Hello Lux Squad, welcome back to Her Home Is, and if this is your first time tuning in, welcome. Now you guys, in today's video we're going to be putting the princess's room back together. If that sounds interesting, make sure you keep watching. Don't forget, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright, now let's get this room clean and decorate with me video started. Thanks for tuning in, and once again for today's video we are actually putting TeeTee room back together. You should have already saw the video of us painting the space, so if you didn't see that, I'm going to drop that video link down in that description box. Make sure you do check it out. Make sure you also check out everything that we have going on for this Christmas 2023 season. We hope to really inspire you. Now, I do have everything out, and I did get help because I got them to bring the bed back in, the nightstands, and hung the mirrors because it takes me a little work to get the mirrors up. But they got the mirrors hung and the TV put back on the wall. So we're actually going to get ready and do just some light cleaning of her stuff. It's not going to be heavy, just light cleaning and decorate with me. And as you can see in the background, TeeTee wanted the pink and white.
Stay tuned after the feature for more great previews.
I do hope you guys did catch that DIY channel, Glam Queen DIY, with the bed makeover. So do make sure you do check that out as well. So we're going to do pink, white, and silver in the space. I'm going to let you see all of the stuff. We have everything out, and I'm going to show you, actually, I think it's 2 sponsored things in this video as well. So we're going to show you that. But let's get this room clean, put together. So I'm going to show you her reaction of her finished space. This is all of our pieces that we do have going up. We do have these lamps. They are sponsored by Part Founders. I'm going to include that information in the description and tell you about that shortly. But we have our mirrors that's going up, our pictures, and everything you see out is the things that we do have in her space. Once again, make sure you check out the DIY channel to get this bed revamp, upcycle, whatever you want to call it, DIY on that DIY channel as well. We have already hung the mirrors, and as you can see, we did leave the gold marble contact paper up, but we do have all of the pieces back in the space. And we did leave this here because we want to, I need to house something in that space during this Christmas. But you're going to see how we're going to strategically place everything for this Christmas season. And to you guys, this room makeover for the princess is actually a no cost, no spend. We only use items that we already had in our home, and we are placing them in her space. Now, if you would like to know where all of the pieces come from, let me know in the comments. And I'm telling you, I love cleaning with these Lysol wipes. You guys, they smell so amazing. But this is a no cost and a no spend full room makeover. This bed actually sits 35.5 inches up off the floor, and I need some high nightstands. So if you know somewhere where I can get those at, send me a link. These lamps were sponsored by Part Finders. I will include that link down in the description box. It also has a plug here on the back. You guys, these lamps are simple and easy to put together. This is also a 3-way lamp as well. It has a black ombre effect on them. Be mindful, you're going to see something coming. If you see black, just know that after this Christmas season. But I'm going to put that link in the description box. Make sure you go over and check out Parfinders. They also sell on Amazon as well. All of that information is down in the description. And this portion of the video is sponsored by GeoNote. I'm going to put their information down in the description box. And this is their ergonomic stick vacuum cleaner, you guys. It's lightweight. It's very, very easy to work with. And you guys, I think the key selling feature for this stick vac is that it stands up all alone. No more worrying about vacuuming and having to lay it or it falling. You literally stand it up and it stands all by itself. So I'm going to put the link for that down in the description. Make sure you guys go over and check out these vacuum cleaners. Now, if you're in this home decor interior design world like myself, you do know we love the stick vacs because it makes it a lot easier than pushing a heavy vacuum and a whole lot faster than sweeping with your normal broom.
And now, our feature presentation.
I hope this princess bedroom decorate for me gave you some inspiration. You guys continue to come back for Vlogmas. We're still giving you these videos every day. And if this is your first time tuning in and you're not a part of the family, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget, make sure you do subscribe to Her Home Is, Her Tablescapes, Glam Queen DIY, Molux Vlogs. All the links will be in the description. We'll see you guys on tomorrow.